Hi guys, if you want to know how to get started with Wix website building, you are in the right place. We are going to create an account together. First, open wix.com and click on Get Started. You can now sign up for Wix with your Google account, Facebook account, or you can also log in if you already have an account. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna create a new account here, typing in my email address and choosing a strong password. Then I click on sign up, check I'm not a robot, and click on sign up again. You will be asked, who are you creating a website for? I'm gonna choose for myself, my business, or a friend. Then click on continue. Now you have two options. You can start a chat or you can set up without chat. Let's do the AI chat first. AI is going to ask you different questions to make the website building easier for you. I recommend to answer them as honestly as possible. It is just asking basic stuff like what is the site about and yes, what is the name of the restaurant in this case. And if you decided to set up without chat, you will be asked what type of website do you want to create. I want to create a restaurant website, for example here, fast food. Wix is creating your dashboard now and you will be forwarded to this page. You will be asked for the name of your business again, for example here Four Seasons Tasty, and then some other simple questions. Just answer them honestly. Since we are going to create a website about a restaurant, of course it's asking us what type of services we are going to provide. I'm gonna choose delivery, of course. For special features, Wix is working with apps. Restaurant menus, food orders and table reservations are already selected. We can choose more apps, for example Instagram feed and portfolio. You can add or remove apps anytime. Click on continue and then continue to dashboard. Inside your dashboard you can continue to set up your restaurant right here. You can connect a custom domain and set up everything. To find your websites, click on the left top corner here and click on Go to Sites. Here you will see all the websites you currently have under this account. You can also create a new website here, or you can also organize them with folders. Select the website you want to edit and then click on Design Site with the pen right here. You can use AI or you can just pick and customize a template. I'm gonna choose a template here. Let's find a nice one for my fast food restaurant. This one with the sandwiches looks very nice, so I'm gonna select this and click on Edit. The website is loading now and you can see here it's already adding Wix table reservations, so it's adding an app. You can now see the template you can edit and customize. Already a finished website you can just change. This is how it looks like on desktop PCs or laptops. You can also switch to mobile to see how it looks like on your smartphone. After switching to the mobile view, you will be asked to set up your mobile website easily and fast by answering these questions and selecting what you want. You can of course customize the mobile version of your website similar to the desktop version. It is just a little bit smaller. Let's go back to the desktop version by clicking on Switch to Desktop. On the right top corner here you can preview, save and publish your website. If you want to go back to your dashboard, just click on the Wix logo in the left top corner here. If you found this video helpful, would be nice to get a like and see you next time guys.